He appreciated the quality of your office. It's really beautiful and big, and it's like according to all the European standards. We know because we had been to a lot of European offices, and it looks just like there.
Thank you. Thank you much to come to our company today, and we thank your time. We hope we can cooperate with your company together to develop the Russian market on the hotel and the restaurant project. I just want to know what's your impression to our service and to our product in our showroom after you checking everything.
It looked like the quality is really high, and we really like that. And you have a lot of different items from bakery to cooling systems and even beer systems that is interested especially for us. And yes, it was really interesting. Thank you for this trip there.
Yeah,
Really
thank you. Yes, we see you already have some cooking equipment for the kitchen, but maybe not full range, and our product can have a better additional to your present line, right?
Yes, right, exactly.
Okay.
What do you think of our team and our office and our children?
It was really nice to talk to you. You are really nice people, and thank you for warm meeting for all the people that met us there. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, and thank you so much for your time, and looking forward to see you in the Russia. Yeah, we hope we can have time and chance to have the exhibition with you in Russia together.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.